Quarter 3, Module 1A, Gravity. The theory of gravity was proposed by Sir Isaac Newton in 1687 in his book Principia Mathematica. He saw an apple falling from a tree, and it got him thinking about the mysterious force that pulls objects to the ground. Newton named this mysterious force gravity. Gravity puts all things on Earth and the universe in order. Cars, water in the ocean, rocks, houses, tables, chairs, plates, appliances, and other things stayed on its place. They do not float away. Gravity helps keep the planets orbiting around the sun and moons revolving around the planets. Objects that are thrown upward on Earth eventually fall. This is because the Earth is exerting an attractive force on us and to all things around us. Without gravity, everything on the Earth's surface will float in the atmosphere, just like astronauts floating in their spaceship. While traveling in the outer space, sun, planets, and other heavenly bodies in the solar system will bump at each other. Stones thrown upward will never fall. Whether the object is dropped or thrown upward, the object tends to go back to the ground. There is a force that pulls all objects towards the ground. This force is called gravity, or also known as the gravitational force. Gravity is a force of attraction that exists between any two objects. This gravitational force between the two objects acts towards each other. The two objects are attracting or pulling one another towards each other. Also, there is a gravitational force between Earth and us, between two people, between two marbles, and even between two atoms or particles.